The 2013
Porsche Cayenne S. Powered by a 4.8-liter V8 engine with a Tiptronic transmission, this vehicle gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Porsche features side airbags, power steering, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, leather seats, and rain-sensing wipers. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.